Bọ́lájí Amúsàn lórúkọ mi jẹ́ ààrẹ ẹgbẹ́ Tampan lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àlàáfíà mi.
Honorable Ṣọlá Awólẹ́yẹ ààrẹ ẹgbẹ́ mákẹ́tà lápapọ̀.
Tàpé ní ACON. Gbogbo wa nígbà tí a ṣe ìpàdé lónìí, a rí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ àìsàn coronavirus yìí kò mọ olówó, kò mọ tálíkà, kò mọ òṣèré níní, kò mọ mákẹ́tà níní. Àwa wò wípé kí n tá àlè kọ́kọ́ ṣe ni pé ká kọ́kọ́ gba ẹ̀mí ara wa, ká kọ́kọ́ gbà là. Ìdí nìyí tí àwa méjèèjì ta fi panu pọ̀ wípé láti March 27th ọdún yìí, ìjọ Friday títí di April 17 tó ń bọ̀, ẹnikẹ́ni òṣèré kó ṣèré kò gbọdọ̀ rìkọ́ọ̀dù fíìmù kankan. Kí oníkálùkù wa ká wà nílé wa, ká ọ̀bùsáàfù àwọn nǹkan tí a máa ṣe tí àìsàn òfin nínú wa, ká fọwọ́ wa, ká bomú wa, ká má lọ sí patí, ká má lọ sáwùjọ tí èrò ti pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ, ká jókòó sílé, ká fi àdúrà sí kí iṣẹ́ wa ó lè dá. Ṣé mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe dá ṣe, a máa kanra wa, a máa jọ faṣọ lójú, a máa jọ rìkọ́ọ̀dù papọ̀. Ìdí ní ìdásọ pé láti 27th of March Friday till 17th of April no camera must roll. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá tẹ ìdá òfin tá a ṣe tó fẹ́ tẹ̀lé lójú, ìdá ẹgbẹ́ àgbè. No camera must roll between Friday 27th of March till 17th of April. Say no to.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Faithia Williams Balogun. On behalf of myself and my noble association, Tampan, I want to plead to my colleagues, friends, and family to please stay at home. Coronavirus is real. Please, let's just stay at home for the meantime. And let's do the necessary things, like washing our hands regularly, using our sanitizer, drinking a lot of water, eating fruits, then taking our vitamin C. Please, then parents, please, I need you to educate your kids about this virus. It is important. Please, I beg you, let's stay out of crowd. I love you all. Stay safe.
My name is Odunlade Adekola. I'm an actor, producer, director, and also the director of motion pictures of my great association, Tampan. Please, I don't want us to ignore the fact that coronavirus is killing a lot of people all over the world right now. Please, let us follow the normal instructions and the procedures to prevent us from coronavirus. This announcement is coming from a wonderful association, Tampan, led by Otumba Makin Amushon, Mr. Latin.
Hello, everyone. It is no longer news that coronavirus is real. Please, people, let us comply with the directives of our health officials and the government. Let us wash our hands frequently and avoid crowd and gatherings for now. Let us try as much as possible to maintain high level of hygiene. It is a war we shall win by the special grace of God. My name is Sholako Sokwabino, and I am doing this on behalf of my great association, Tampan, and of course, on behalf of my humble self. Please, let us stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone. On behalf of myself and my noble association, Tampan, we advise that we stay safe. Let's stay indoors. Let's avoid public gatherings. Let's wash our hands as much as possible. Let's take enough vitamins. Of course, this is pretty sad as it is affecting all of us. It's affecting the entire world. And of course, let us don't stop praying to the Almighty to please put an end to this very terrible situation. It is really, really sad. Please, let's stay safe. Tampan says, stay safe.
Hello, my people. My name is Ayo Adesonya, and I'm here to tell you that coronavirus is very, very, very real. This is not a message of panic. I'm not here to panic you. Seriously, I just want you to be aware, to make you know that this thing is very, very real, and it has started killing a lot of people. Even in Nigeria, it has started killing people. Initially, we were of the opinion that because of the sun, because of this, because of that, we don't have it. Coronavirus is real in Nigeria now. So please, let us stay locked down. Please, don't let us move around as much as we used to so that we don't infect others. Please, please, my people, please,
You know, it is all over the world now. It is a catastrophe. So please, I beg you, just stay in one place. Let's stay contained so that we can